I am Dr. P. Gopal Reddy. I am orthopedics and joint replacement surgeon in Sunshine Hospital. I started my medical school in 1991, and after finishing my medical school and my post-graduation in orthopedics, I underwent training at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, 3 years of my senior residency, and fellowship also I did from AIIMS. And after that, I went to Australia and I did my another fellowship in joint replacement surgery from Flinders Medical Center, Adelaide. And so since 15 years, I finished off my post-graduation. I am working in Sunshine Hospital as a senior consultant, orthopedics and joint replacement surgeon. So I got 10 years of experience in joint replacement surgery, especially knee and hip. So in this Sunshine Hospital, we are conducting at least 30 to 35 joint replacement surgeries per day. So we are dealing with our primary and complex primary and revision joint replacements. So usually those are coming to here, most of them are primary and complex primary knee replacements and hip replacement surgeries. So our success rate is 100%, and we are mobilizing the patient immediately post-operative, first day of post-operative day. So myself, I am doing 4 to 5 joint replacement surgeries per day, and the patient age group ranges from 25 years to 85 years. So it includes rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. And especially we are happy to deal with younger, those who got rheumatoid arthritis with the disabilities. So recently I did a knee joint replacement on a 25 years young girl. She's suffering from severe rheumatoid arthritis with the severe deformities. So I did surgery on her both legs. Between the surgeries 3 days gap. So I am very happy. I am mobilizing her. She's walking normally 1 month after the surgery, and I received her first marriage card. So I am very happy professionally that I made a girl to be happy in her life. In my practice, so primarily I am doing primary and complex primary joint replacement surgeries. Averagely it is coming 500 surgeries per year. So I am happy to say that my success rate is nearly 100%, and people are happy, and they are walking with normal gait, and immediately they are able to walk. In Sunshine Hospital, we are also dealing with trauma cases, and we got 24/7 trauma team, and we are working day and night, and a consultant is available throughout the day and night. So we are dealing with complex trauma with and polytrauma with multiple organs are involved. So we are equipped with a blood bank, and any complex surgery we can deal it, and we can do surgery immediately without any delay in the surgery period. So we are able to save a lot of people's life, and also we are preventing disabilities and morbidity in the future life by timely doing our surgeries. So our expertise team ranging from orthopedicians and plastic surgeons, neurovascular surgeons, and vascular surgeons, neurosurgeons. So any trauma we are able to deal, even if it involves multiple organs. So by that we are saving a lot of lives. In hospital, we work as a team. So team is very important when you are dealing with the complexity of the problems. So in Sunshine Hospital, we are getting a lot of trauma cases, joint replacement cases, and orthopedic oncology, that is cancer cases of orthopedics. And so we are dealing with all types of orthopedics and orthopedics related problems. So in this, one person cannot treat all the patients. So it's a teamwork. So we got a tremendous, very senior experienced surgeons dealing with all branches of the orthopedics, available 24/7. So the patient first is our slogan, and we are doing that from the beginning of this hospital. In that, I think we are achieved 100% by giving good services to the patient.
So what the response patients in your
So by dealing with multi-speciality and the teamwork, we are making most of the patients happy and doing timely help to them. So here in this hospital we are working 24/7. So we are sometimes we have to operate and we have to see the patients on Sundays and even on the festival days. But we are very happy to serve the patients even in holidays and festival, because patient is first for us. After that only family and personal life. Sunshine Hospital, predominantly as an orthopedician, I can say we are having all subspecialties in orthopedics, like trauma, joint replacement surgery, pediatric orthopedics, and orthopedic oncology and spine surgery, and all senior consultants are available 24/7. So by this we are able to do minimum of 40 to 45 cases, that means surgeries, in a day. And we got 12 dedicated orthopedic operation theaters are available. They are all are world standard orthopedic operation theaters, and we got excellent anesthesia backup and pain management team we got. Personally, I want to pursue this motto, patient first motto, throughout my life, and really I want to dedicate my life and my energies in the patient service, and I want to excel in joint replacement surgery further, and to bring down the cost of the joint replacement surgery cost, and to serve poor people in a very cost effective manner.
Sir, you are giving any tips or suggestions to patients and people how to control all kind of disease and future?
See, I sincerely and personally believe the success of this Sunshine and also success of all my colleagues here, the patient first, patient care. If you sincerely care your patient and think about your patients, everything will come into the lines, like a good quality of the care, satisfaction and good service. Everything will come into line when you give patient first and patient care sincerely. As an orthopedic surgeon and a joint replacement surgeon, I can suggest most of the patient coming to me are coming with the pain in the knee, pain in the hip. So that is mostly because our lifestyle changes which are occurring nowadays, and food habits. So I suggest all my patients and my colleagues or all my friends to do at least 20 to 30 minutes a day exercises, at least 2 kilometers walk per day. So that will keep your knees happy and you no need to come to any orthopedic surgeon.